worry about those boards right now. That line got pretty flat. Turning to the right, it's been doing that though, Greg. It could be, I'm not saying it's not. That's a decent one. Yeah. Those are perfect on it. I mean, he's not designed to 15. Instead of running into trouble all out, you know, it's down. I feel like I get a lot of line. I'm way back there. Oh yeah, I guess there, yeah. Watch. We got him! There we go! There we go! Nice. Ooh, that's a nice one, boys. That's a nice first one. Let's go. There we go. There we go, Jace. Woo! NBK. That's the one. All right, we got one with that. Holy crap! Got our first king on Lake Michigan this trip. 13 pounds, 4 ounces. Second clip, yeah, remember?
Yeah, added the second. Okay. You might take that board under a couple times. What does it say? There you go. Oh yeah, Jay. There you go. All right, I got the net. Just in case you got it on hold, I'll unflip this thing.
Big business there.
Yeah, I'll get that planer board off and then I can handle it. Real nice, Jay. Get that planer board out of the water. Keep that high, man.
Yeah, I'm just gonna try. Probably gonna beat him.
You are? Well, let me get this planer board quite good.
Coming up, man.
Okay. We get this net ready in case.
Yeah, Al, that board's coming up, Al.
I see it.
I'm gonna have to get up on here too.
Al, board.
Stop it. Stop it.
Alright, ready, Now. Reel.
I got it. I'm deep for sure.
Okay.
Now watch it. Watch my rod. Watch my rod.
Yeah, keep it easy. Jason's gonna beat you up.
Keep yours in the middle. I'm gonna keep yours in the
Jason's
middle.
fish is right here, so
Yours
nice.
is bigger.
Oh, you got
You're tangled. Okay,
hold on.
Jason, oh, watch out.
I know, I see. I can guide it. The thing.
On this side or what?
I'm gonna have to.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm probably gonna take
Run into that. Nice signal. You go rest of it on your Jason. Keep the pressure on it. Right in that line.
I'm gonna get it all. There's a thing on the hook. I'm gonna keep still.
Yeah, you want to go a little left and maybe get in that other planer board otherwise. Yeah, just tangle in that.
Let me grab the other net now.
Yeah, grab that other net, Dad. Yeah, give me that net.
I got the pole.
Oh, it's surfacing back there.
Cool.
We're all up in the cylinder here.
Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna bring you back at the middle here.
Yeah, it's back there. You feel him, Ben? Okay, yeah. It's up at the surface. You just pick your fish. Huh? You just pick your fish out of the net. You're going to use that net to get them. It's not.
Maybe it's playing for it.
Good job, man.
I don't really want to lift them out into the water.
We're good. We still have a little bit of time.
Coming up close though, boys. A little bit. I'm just trying to unhook some of it.
Am I hooked in the net now?
That's the minute, yeah.
It's there. But I might be free on this side, am I? Free on this side now, let's see.
Coming up. Anything else on that net? Yeah, it's fighting.
Don't let that tip out too much.
Good idea. Real steady at that.
Here, this is Jason right there. All right, yeah, I'm getting. I just want to get a little bit of room here. I'm just gonna get there.
Get down now.
Oh, net. What's that?
The net hit my line.
Very good.
I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait on it.
Just hold on here.
You click enter that.
Yeah, I got it.
I was like, slipping. What's that? No, it's just.
I'm gonna net you underneath this downrigger line in half, dude, so just a little more.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to be in the corner. Just hit the reel.
Ready, set.
Keep it coming slow, man. A little more. A little more.
Get that line.
A little more. There we go.
Nice.
There we go.
Nice.
Yeah. Shit show.
There we
Look
go.
at it,
Nice.
B.
There we go.
Holy
Nice.
crap, my first king. My first
go,
king.
man.
All right. Bail's open, Jace. Oh, I need to picture that there.
First night of fishing. A little slow. We got 3 kings though. Alright,
Move that lure box.
Guys, move that lure box.
Okay, 1 second. Oh yeah, look at him back.
You.
Talk about getting in the serious right away.
It's a nice steel head.
Yeah, that's
Orange?
nice steel head. Yeah, look at it's brand new. It's another brand new fin spoon.
I'm gonna change my
Oh, that's what you're saying. You know what? Let's pull it. Let's pull it. Let's pull this. Is that a big one, Jason, or not?
I mean, it took a pretty good run there. I don't think it's massive. I think it's I'm guessing a 10 pounder or something, but
Why don't you pull it? Give him some room.
oh, let me come.
Oh, what did you just say? Never seen a king bite between 4.
10 and 4, I said. Luckily, I was waiting for one of those that are gonna start going.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, for the last 6 hours of fishing, I've been waiting for that. Let's see that. Oh, that's rolling.
That's rolling. Enter, enter. I think we're gonna hit double digits here, probably. This is my guess compared to last night, anyhow.
Who was on the floor, Al? Don't come down.
I haven't gone in a while. I'm not gonna overdo this. So.
Bring the dog, Al. Bring the dog over here.
Yeah, we can clear a whole shoot. I'm 140 feet up there. If we can, we'll start cheating right a little bit. That's why we came here.
Cheers.